6MBI100FB060 by uscomponent.com. The 6MBI100FB060 is an IGBT module from Fuji Electric, designed for efficient power switching in industrial applications. It features a current rating of 100A and a voltage rating of 600V. This module incorporates advanced Insulated Gate Bipolar Transistor (IGBT) technology, ensuring high-speed switching and low power losses. It includes integrated freewheeling diodes and offers robust protection against overcurrent and overheating. The 6MBI100FB060's compact and durable design makes it ideal for use in motor drives, inverters, and power converters, providing a reliable and efficient solution for demanding industrial and commercial power management needs. Ready to buy 6MBI100FB060? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.